Hello guys, welcome back. Let's solve the fourth problem from weekly contest 103. The problem definition is that we are given two integer array person and time. In an election, the ith vote was cast for person I and time I. For each query at time t, we have to find the person that was leading the election at that time. Vote cast at time t will count toward our query. In the case of a tie, the most recent vote among the tied candidate will win, and we have to implement the top voted candidate class where top voted candidate initialize the object with person and times array, and the query returns the number of person that was leading the election at time t according to the mentioned rules. Now let's see the example 1. Here we have to initialize the top voted candidate class. To do so, we are given two array, one is person and another is times. Then there are some queries where we have to return the person that was winner at the time. There are some constants that are given to us, that is the person length can be from 1 to 5000 and the person I is also between 0 to person length. And we are also said that the person length and time length is equal and time is sorted in a strictly increasing order. Now let's see how we can code this solution. First I need to save the times array. Now I need to initialize two Hashmap. First, to keep track of the vote of the person, so let me name it person vote. I am initializing this Hashmap with 0. So the key of this Hashmap will be person, and the value of this Hashmap will be the vote count. Now let me initialize another Hashmap and let me name it time winner. And for this Hashmap, the key will be time and the value will be person, the person that is winner at that time. Now let me iterate through the person and times array. I need to populate the person vote array, actually person vote hash map. So let me populate that of p plus equal 1. Now I need another variable to keep track of the winner at that time. So winner, let me initialize it the first person of our person array. So the winner will be winner if self.person vote winner is greater than self.person vote p, otherwise it will be p. Now it's greater than, because if it's equal then it will be p, because p is the current person that is getting the vote. Now let me add the winner to our time winner hash map. This should be self, yeah. Now this is it for our initialization function of the top voted candidate. Now let me write the function for the query of our top voted candidate class. So what we're gonna do is just return self.time winner of that time. But there is a catch, that is this time can be anything. It is not necessarily that this time have to be an item from the times array. So if it's not inside our times array, then this is also not inside our time winner. So what in that case what we need to do is return the previous time which is present in our times array and return the winner at that time. So let me first try to return this one, and if this fails, because if this time is not present in the times array, then there will be a key error, because time winner will also not have the time winner at that time. So then we'll have a key error and we'll get in the except part, and then we need to find the previous time index. So let me write that. That will be bisect left. Actually what I'm doing here is using binary search to find the previous time index from our times array. This should be self dot times. Yeah, now this will give us the time index of that time. So what we need is the previous time index, so I will just need to subtract 1 from it and then return self dot time winner, and get the time from the times array using the time index. Now let's run this and see if this is accepted or not. We have a runtime error. The spelling is wrong, so CPT. Now let me submit this again. Person is not defined. Do you mean persons? Yeah, I mean persons. So let me run it again. Yeah, this one is accepted.